Welcome to Physics Power channel. Now I am going to give the details about nuclear reactor in nuclei lesson. The nuclear reactor block diagram will be as shown in the diagram. So it consists of many parts. Let me explain one by one. So inside you can see here it is the fission chamber where we will arrange the nuclear fuel, and we will initiate the nuclear fission reaction by using uranium or by using plutonium. So in particular fuel we will use, I will explain in the next slide. So here let me explain the parts one by one. So the total entire core compulsory should be shielded with a strong concrete walls. Why? Because here the reaction is uncontrollable one. So what it may be the quantity of energy coming out, it should be inside, and that energy should not break the entire chamber. And if it is going little bit danger, then we will apply moderator. So moderator will slow down the reaction, and as well as control rods. Here control rods stops the neutrons, means here slow moving neutrons we are using to bombard the uranium or plutonium, any nuclear fuel, to initiate the nuclear fission reaction. But if you can arrange control rods, then neutrons will be absorbed, or if you add moderator, then the neutrons will slow down. And here we are getting continuously huge energy. That energy we can utilize to generate the electricity. So for that purpose we have to arrange some coolant. So coolant continuously should pass through the nuclear chamber, so that that coolant will take the heat energy. That heat energy will go through these pipes, and that heat energy will be given to the water. So then the water will be converted in the form of steam, will be converted into steam, and the steam will go and it will rotate the turbine. So due to rotation of turbines we are getting the electricity. This is the complete process in nuclear reactor. Now let me explain one by one element in the nuclear reactor. The first one is the fuel. So nuclear fuel is the fuel that is used in a nuclear reactor to sustain a nuclear chain reaction. The most common nuclear fuel are the radioactive metals, that is uranium 235 and plutonium 239. The next one is nuclear reactor core. So nuclear reactor core means it is inside the shielding. Here you can see where the nuclear reactor core is the portion of a nuclear reactor containing the nuclear fuel components, where the nuclear reaction takes place and heat is generated. Next one is moderator. So moderator is the major key role here. The moderator of a nuclear reactor is a substance that slows down the secondary neutrons. So here primary neutron means whatever we are using to initiate the reaction, that we are calling as a primary neutron. But in this nuclear fission reaction, for each reaction you will get 3 more neutrons. It is a chain reaction. If you start the reaction with 1 neutron, you will get 3 neutrons. So like that continuously the number of neutrons increases. So that is why number of nuclear fission reactions increases. But if you can add moderator, the moderator function is to slow down the secondary neutrons which are created in the nuclear fission reaction produced during the fission. So the moderators are very important to slow down or to control the nuclear fission reaction in the nuclear reactor. Example, we are using moderator as heavy water, or graphite we are using, and paraffins also we are using. Paraffin means alkanes we are using. Next, control rods. These are also major elements in nuclear reactor. The functioning of the control rods. It is used in nuclear reactor to control the rate of fission reaction. So these are made up of chemical elements capable of absorbing many neutrons but should not lose their stability, such as silver, cadmium, indium, boron we are using to absorb the neutrons, but they should not lose the stability. That is why we are using these elements. These elements can absorb the neutrons, but they will not lose their stability. So that is why these elements are useful as control rods in nuclear reactor. Next, one more important one is coolant. So actually, due to coolant only we are getting the heat from the nuclear reactor. We will send a particular liquid which can absorb the heat, and that heat will be given to the water to convert into steam, and with respect to means with that steam we are running the turbines to get the electricity. So coolant in the nuclear reactor is a liquid used to remove heat from the nuclear reactor core and transfer it to the electric generators. So meanwhile it will give some amount quantity to the environment also. Next, shielding is also very much important. We are using huge width concrete, solid concrete walls we are using as a shielding, so that no radiation should escape from this nuclear reactor. So it is a shielding, means it is a protective covering wall made up of concrete to protect from harmful radiation from nuclear fuel. So thank you. If you want any topic, mention in comment section. I will try to post that topic video.